my god, I forgot earrings. Day 3 of our trip. Right now we're walking to Lululemon because we forgot to get Connor's hat. And then we're gonna walk to eat some food, and then we're going on this hike. But I am not excited. He likes the hiking. I don't know why, but this is not a very fit family.
Whoa, speak for yourself.
Food, yeah. Guys, we've started this hike. Why is he stretching? Oh my god. We are like 2 minutes in.
You scratch my back.
Ew. I feel like this is gonna be a little rough for our very unactive family. So far, dying. We took our first break, 5 minutes in. Uh-oh, child down. How you feeling? Good. Tyler dropped his AirPods.
It's right there.
Where is it?
They're literally right next to the bottom.
Where? You can climb up.
No, you cannot.
Yes, you can.
No, you
Where
cannot.
are they?
You're not going down there, dude.
Where?
Right next to those bottles.
Where? Let me see. Who said the hike was a bad idea?
It's right next to that orange juice.
He can do it.
No, he's not gonna do it.
It's right here.
Honey, that's steep. You can't get back up.
He can go down that way.
No, you fall all the way down. I see them. Yeah, we all see it.
I don't see them.
Yeah. Take between the two mountains.
Madison doesn't see them.
So getting better and better.
Okay, get up. We're going to Tyler.
Actually, there is an Apple store right there. Go. I might have to get some. That's a tough loss for Tyler, I'm not gonna lie.
This is a big rip.
That is a very big rip. I'd climb, but just...
So, how you feeling?
So now y'all are the one AirPod bros.
No, he's got 0.
Oh, you dropped the case.
Oh, he dropped the case. No, he dropped the thing.
I thought he dropped the single ear.
No, he dropped the one.
You dropped the single thing.
No, he dropped the one.
Yeah, the whole thing's down.
No, the one thing wouldn't be that sad.
I thought it was.
I dropped that, and it's in the car, and I don't know where it is, but I'll find it one day. So yeah, Tyler ended up going, so. No hiking, keep out. Oh my god. Tyler! Tyler!
Don't do that.
Yeah, come on, There's Tyler. He's doing good. I don't know where he is.
Toss him up.
Where is he? Where's Tyler? Yeah!
Bring your
Whoop whoop!
Put in your pocket first.
Why was he just sitting down? That's what I want to know. Why was he just sitting there?
Let's get senior photos.
Hey, you see over here the window?
That was a fun adventure. Okay, cool. We're walking up the stairs, so that's going to be a little difficult. This is a horrible idea on your part, mister.
Let's just go back. What are you waiting for? It hasn't even been a mile yet.
I'm going to get...
See that joke that Fawn just made? She said the dude was super dad. That's a big belly.
Which one?
Both.
Into this tunnel. We just walked up these stairs. Everyone's kind of dying.
I feel fine.
Oh, do you? Okay, go. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see how sweaty I am. I am glistening. No, less work. No, longer and shorter.
This is a long way, honey.
Look at this. This is horrible.
Actually, it's not that bad.
Let's go.
Spin, go.
It's really not that bad, actually. Okay, we're running.
Your phone just fell all the way down.
Tyler!
I gotta go all the way back?
Going by my face slow motion, and I was like, do I want to grab it? No.
Did it crack? How did it not?
You did it. You what?
Pretty view.
No achievements. Just
I want a picture.
not there.
This is horrible.
I feel fine.
I'm sure you do. Oh my god, a bee landed on my leg. Didn't sting me though, but that was very scary. We're walking down now. We're done. We're waiting for our family now. There comes Connor. My mom and dad should be coming down anytime now. I got some pineapple. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah, thought so. What about you, big boy? You've had a pretty traumatic trip, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
He fell off a cliff.
Yep.
What about you?
I still want to deal with it because half the time we don't.
Okay. Hi, friends. The whole fam's like sleepy because the sun on our hike was ow, my hip. Oh, my food has come out first.
3 hours ahead of us.
Okay, that's cool.
He almost like that.
What is that thing on his mouth?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Oh, is there something on my nose?
Sitting vote for whatever we on purpose. European car came with curtains. I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby Birkin. Fuck the good and got our legs hurting. Find a wave and got them M's early.